How does it feel to be married?
I like being able to say, you are my husband.
Or it gets wild when she gets drunk.
I like being able to say, you are my wife.
He loves how kind-hearted you are towards animals and those in need. You're funny. You're the most beautiful, all the L's, beautiful woman I've ever known. And he appreciates that you understand him better than anyone. There are many things Tyler said. However, one line stood out. Tyler stated, "Everyone loves being around her because she lights up the room. She emits a warmth that everybody can feel." Laura loves that you blend in so comfortably with her family. She said, "It felt like we've known each other forever." Laura sees you as hilarious, loving, refreshing, and unapologetically yourself. She loves that you think that she's funny and loves that you always want to be close to her. She adores how you want to be part of her family and circle of friends. I never could have imagined enjoying being with someone so much. He's always there for me, and he challenges me in so many ways. He is my home.